G'day guys, down the track here. Just didn't plan to switch on the camera yet, but new job right in the city, beautiful view. So let's go quick. G'day, amazing. Beautiful. Right, let's go before someone gets pissed here. Busy man at work. Don't want to bust the nuts early in the morning. It's like not even 3 in the morning. Right. Moving out. Hopefully we don't get stuck. Anyway, it's very tight spots here. Never been here. Might have to reverse all the way out. Let's see. Concentrate. Really beautiful view.
You have reached your destination.
Massive construction site. Good mate. Good mate, how you going?
You get yourself out of here or what?
Yeah, I'm looking for, I hope so. I'm looking for 3 beans, you know, 3 beans, you know, the big beans, industrial beans to tip over.
I haven't seen any, brother.
Okay, maybe they told me this.
With traffic.
This is United Waste.
United Waste.
Yeah, they gave me this address. It's a construction site. Yeah.
This is Queens Walk Road.
Yeah, that's what they told me to come. United Waste. Maybe I have to keep going.
Hey?
I have to keep going. Maybe
You can get back out this way.
Yeah.
But where these bins are, mate, I can't help you, brother.
All right, mate. Thanks. Just have a look. Yeah. All right. How long does it keep going? This one?
Hey?
How long does it keep going? How long does the road go?
It goes out. See where that car's headed?
Yep. Oh, that's it.
Just follow it round, yeah.
Okay. All right. So no beans around here, eh?
No, mate.
Okay.
No.
Is there another side of the construction site?
There's William Street up the top.
Yeah.
Through the guts of the building.
Yeah.
But as for down here, mate, I haven't seen any for the forklift.
Yeah.
For your front forks.
Yeah. All right. No worries. Can I access William Street? You know,
Mate,
the other
it's
side.
Closing up now.
Okay. No worries.
Next shift starts rocking in at about 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Copy, Pete.
Yeah, got you, Glenn.
Hey man, just following up with Chris now. You're up to head off. I'll see you tonight. Thank you.
Righto, mate. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, mate. Just yeah.
No worries. Mike, yeah, I might make a phone call and see. All right, thanks, mate. Appreciate it.
Just nice and steady, bud.
Yeah, have a good night. Cheers. Oh, I found them. Ha! There might be this one. You see, this is wireless. This type of beans, but
that's a hook truck. They've all been emptied.
No, this green one, but they don't have the forklifts. Do you know Trent?
Trent?
Yes.
No.
All right, let me call. I got a name here, Trent. Here, let's see. Yeah, let me try and make.
You want me to walk you through, mate, or you're right?
No, I'll be fine as long as I have a way out. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, make your call.
Yeah.
Trent.
Yeah, no idea. Trent, Queen's Wharf Road, United Waste Services.
Hang on, I'll see Glenn.
All right, thanks, mate. Well, that's what happens sometimes. Yeah, these don't have the... no, I cannot tip them. Yeah, mate.
Mate, how are you?
Yeah, good.
My best guess is you're for the casino, not for the construction side.
Okay.
About halfway down, just as you come through,
Yeah.
the casino's got a bin just on the left-hand side.
But I have an order for 6 bins. Construction side, like
Oh, is it these little red ones?
multiplex. No, you see, they don't have the space for the forks. This one, they're bigger, metal one, and yeah, I have multiplex Queens Wharf Road.
Multiplex, but
This is multiplex, isn't it?
Guys already come and he picked up these.
Yeah.
what bins are you here for?
Well, same color, same Oneless, that's the company. Green beans like that, but bigger. They're metal beans, and they have the space for the forks. You know, bigger beans. They're like three cubic meters. Huh?
Red.
Trent, yeah. Multiplex Queens Wharf Road, CBD. Queens Wharf Road. United Waste Services. So it must be a company. Yeah, it's weird.
I've never heard of it. I don't know.
Alright, let me try
See
to.
if I can help you out.
Yeah, I'm far out. Let me call 2 seconds. 042.
Hey, mate, just go Queens Wharf Road. I've got a car. day shift guy.
Okay.
He's not going to answer his phone at the moment.
Yeah, I tried to call it. All right, mate. I tried to call my ops manager and see what's going on.
Yeah, I just
Maybe
thought
they made a
I'd put out
mistake.
note
Or
that he doesn't
all right.
so-
Thanks, guys. Yeah. Sorry. Cheers. Good night.
Get out there if you go straight through.
Yep. Thanks. Beautiful. Now, well, let's focus on the driving. Maybe we can spot some beans around here, but I don't think so. Let's see. Eyes open. Green beans, green beans. Beans, green beans. Metal beans. They're probably to come back during the day.